Welcome to the Infinite Life Show. I'm Malini Rajendran. Today I would like to share with you an adaptation of a poem that we recited as a prayer every morning in school. It is the 35th poem in the book Gitanjali, written by Rabindranath Tagore, for which he was awarded the Nobel Prize for Literature in 1913. This poem, originally published in 1910, is now being adapted exactly 110 years later. As 2020 will be coming to an end, let these words be the foundation on which we will build a new era from 2021 onwards. Where the mind is without fear and the head is held high. Where the mind is without fear and the heart is filled with love and the head is held high. Where knowledge is free. Where knowledge is free, free from dogma, free from isms and fellowship. Where knowledge is free from the shackles of ownerships and patents. Where the world has not been broken up into fragments by narrow domestic walls. Where the world has not been broken up into territorial domains. Where the world has not been broken up into races and sects. Where the world has not been broken up into artificial territories. Where words come out from the depth of truth. Where words come out from the depth of divine truth and wisdom. Where words come out from the depth of truth, free from all forms of manipulation. Where tireless striving stretches its arms towards perfection. Where tireless striving to establish peace. Where tireless striving to establish unconditional love in every human heart stretches its arms towards perfection. Where the clear stream of reason has not lost its way into the dreary desert sands of dead habit. Where the clear stream of reason is guided by the purity of the heart and is not lost in the desert of doubt and dead habits. Where the mind is led forward by thee into ever-widening thought and action. Where the divine heart leads the mind forward in ever-widening thoughts and action of unconditional love. Into that heaven of freedom, my Father, let my country awake. Into that heaven of freedom, my Creator, let mankind awake. Into that heaven of freedom, my Creator, let mankind awake. And it is so. A very wise teacher told me, make every day of your life matter. Make everything you do count. Make a difference in any way you can. Leave every person you meet with something of value. Make every meeting matter. Be authentic and show up when needed. You are important. Every one of you is important. You are needed. Every one of you is needed. You are divine and you are a manifestation of creative source energy of unconditional love. Therefore, you have the power to bring in a new era of peace on earth. And it is so.